I'm back from Wisconsin. Doug has made 2 weeks worth of progress on the bus, and I'm sorry I couldn't get it on film or edit anything, but he's got the dovetail built. Right now he's working on, hold on a second. He's building slides so his ramps can slide in onto the dovetail, and doing the last bit of work on the rampovers.
Show the driver's seat.
Oh yeah, and he got a sweet captain's chair. And he built this, the wall halfway down, so it'll separate the garage area from the RV. Hasn't done a whole lot in the RV yet, but he's got to be able to haul cars first, you know. This nice little captain's chair.
Fix a little floor rust hole right there.
Yeah, got some snazzy diamond plate. Got a bright blue toolbox for Christmas.
Yeah, wife got me a toolbox for Christmas. Went and picked up this door. Paid $100 for it, I think. Got lights hung. Dad come down and helped me finish all the, well, he did most of the work. I don't do electrical. I shocked myself the other day trying to work on one. But Dad came down, ran power in here for 110 for a generator hookup. Got that all done.
He's got a few outlets right here.
Got me a set of...
A couple more at the back. One running up here so you can run the lights along the top.
Got me a set of pit lights like everybody has for their enclosed trailers. I still gotta figure out how I want to mount them back here. But they'll mount back here to the back of the bus and we'll be lighting everybody up at the racetrack now. This thing's bright at night. But
here's the main reason Doug did a split dovetail, was that he could have easy entry to the back. He's got some stairs there. Doug, demonstration please.
Now we won't hit our heads unless you're like a freak and you're 10 foot tall.
Snazzy, dude.
She's coming together.
It's a bus.
Oh, also, I've sent off paperwork to Vermont to get this thing registered. So hopefully we'll have tags on this thing before the 13th of February. Ain't that the next race?
I thought it was late February.
No, it's 13th.
Oh.
Pretty sure it's 13th, but hopefully we'll be at Fayetteville. I don't know if I'll be driving the Legend car or I'll be driving a modified.
Here, show them the modified real quick. So we've been gone for 2 weeks. One of the jobs we got set out for us next weekend is to build a body for this thing. Autumn.
All right, guys. So my wife, Autumn, she's like the best wife in the world, and she bought me a sheet metal brake for my birthday, which isn't until March, but I got it early, like I usually do. She's pretty good to me. But anyhow, I got a 6-foot brake, so if anybody wants a body, especially like modified guys, I'm keeping track of how much I'm spending on material on my body. I'm putting a complete body on it. We'll be posting videos hopefully after next weekend. Josh and I are going to try to knock the body out. But if anybody wants a body built that doesn't have a brake or needs help or whatever, let me know, because I kind of want to start picking up some work doing that on the side. Probably just put the money towards a new chassis. That's the biggest thing about my car. Kind of thinking about selling it as a roller. Race ready if the price was right. Found a car I want to go get. But I don't know a price or anything. If anybody's interested in it, let us know. And it will have a brand new complete body on it. Like I said, we're going to be putting a body on it next weekend. So with that being said, I might be racing the Legend car for time being until I figure out what I'm doing with the modified. But hopefully I'll be racing the modified on the 13th of February if I got it back together. Right now I'm putting a different rear end in it, replacing every bit of suspension on it, putting some better lower control arms on it. Just everything on it's getting replaced, front to rear. Like I said, if anybody's interested, let us know. We'll try to make you a pretty good deal on it, as I'm trying to find something a little bit newer. I mean, this car's not bad. It's a 2010 throwing dirt. not a terrible car. I found something else I wanted to try, so that's the only way to get faster, just try. But this is a great car for somebody to learn in. I've learned a ton in it. Just let us know if anybody's interested.
Doug's gonna lay like a 1-inch bead every foot or so along the length of the ramp
I'm not
over.
very good at numbers.
And then at each end he's gonna weld 1 inch off the corner and then center, and then 1 more in between each, there to there.
Hey Joshua, you want to mark that one?
Sure. Over 1, all the welds are done and brushed down. That's pretty much done except for a bed liner, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till later in the week. This stuff takes forever to dry and it's supposed to rain.
Yeah. About to get started welding up the other ramp over. Doug's got a fresh roll of wire to put in there.
Dude, they rolled this wire on backwards.
Really?
Yeah. It's magnificent.
There we go. Both ramps are welded up. Painted across the welds so they don't rust or anything. Doug's gonna end up bed lining the top of the ramps so it doesn't have to look perfect or anything. Down there he's working on the slides for the ramps. So Doug's got 1 slide for the ramps welded up. Really, he's got kind of like boxes made, and then they're just welded up under the bus with some angle iron hanging down, holding those boxes. So we got the right side, we're getting it mocked up and squared up so Doug can get welding away on this side. So, this video is really a whole lot of welding, but I gotta hit the road. It's just the start of the week, it's Sunday, I gotta get ready. But Doug's still working on that last slide. He's just got a little bit of welding to do. And it was a good day. We got a lot done. So we really started working at like 12:30. We got,
Well, you got here at 12:30. I started at 9.
he did a whole lot in the 3 hours that I was here though. But anyways, next weekend we're putting a body on his car. Figure we're working on the bus some more.
Yeah, I might lay some flooring down on the bus. Probably just gonna knock that body out though, and then hopefully sooner or later we get a motor back for the Teggy. And
Yeah, I ran
get
into
that
some
thing in
issues. I had to pick up a crankshaft, and I got a little bit bigger pistons because they have to bore it out because I had some scoring in the block. But it should be back in a couple weeks, so there'll be more Integra videos coming.
hopefully gonna have them both at Fayetteville next race, February 13th.
Something like that. But yeah, y'all don't forget,
February, something like that.
always like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next week.